What's up, y'all? It's your girl Michaela Leanna, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing a car mukbang because why not? Like, I don't got nothing else to do, and yeah, so why not? I don't know if I want Waffle House or if I want to go get some food, some chicken or something. They cooking chicken, like they frying chicken. Fire. I had some yesterday. Fire, like 2 fire. So I'm trying to decide which one I want to eat. But I'm gonna get back to y'all whenever I get to where I'm going. Okay, so we got the food. I got the all-star platter, scrambled eggs with cheese. Cheese on my hash browns, of course, bacon, toast, and then I got a regular waffle. So yeah, let's just tear this food down. Like, what? Plus, I'm hungry. Like, too hungry. Like, real hungry. And I don't want to hear nothing about she eat cheese on her hash browns. Yes, I do. And it's real good. Y'all should try it. Ooh. I can't even hold the plate how I want to because the bottom of it is hot. Y'all should have seen me just trying to get a thumbnail. That's good though. No cap. Let's see what this baby talking about. Fire. Like, oh my god. Too fire. Waffle House gonna always slap. I ain't gonna always slap. Now it's trying to rain. The egg's good. Let me eat some bread. Y'all, this food is so good. I was gonna do like, I mean, we can talk about like little certain stuff. I don't know, let's talk about, how do I deal with my stress and anxiety? Honestly, I don't even be trying to stress myself out no more. Because God gonna make a way. That's how I look at it. God put you through certain stuff for a reason. So, I don't be trying to stress about nothing. Honestly. Anxiety. My anxiety get bad when I'm around a lot of people, or, you know, just like, I don't know. Not the shirt. Wow. But my anxiety get bad when I'm around a lot of people, or like I feel like something gonna happen. Something like stuff like that. Or if I'm nervous about something, I would hit my vape 100 times, I swear. It don't be helping though. I really need to stop vaping. And stuff out that it's really raining. I put 5 pieces of toast in here. But yeah, my advice is, I don't know. I'm not good at giving people advice, so when you ask me for advice, I'm sorry, but you SOL, because baby, I'm not good at giving people advice at all. Also, to all my females, don't ever let a dude play with you, ever. I don't care if you love them, y'all been together for long. I don't care. Don't ever let no dude play with you, like, ever. And like no, we ain't going for that no more. Like, at all. Hold on, I'm back. But yeah, don't ever let no dude play with you, ever. And honestly, I don't think that I would ever get in a relationship again. Just because of the simple fact that I don't like feeling like somebody playing with me or always doing like something sneaky behind my back. Like, I hate that. I really do. And that's what it be giving. People be playing in my face and doing like little sneaky stuff behind my back. I don't like that. So therefore, I'm gonna be single for the rest. I ain't gonna say the rest of my life, but I'm gonna be single because don't nobody got time for that. We not finna try to build each other up and help each other get some more money. We ain't got nothing to talk about. Like, at all. I don't care for the small talk, the chit chat. I don't care for none of that, honestly. Now I'm finna eat my waffle. And I put butter and syrup on it. Oh, not the butter was coming out. Wow. Y'all wasn't gonna tell me? Damn. But, yeah. Maybe it's just me. Well, I know it's not just me. And most females, I ain't even gonna say most. Some females, they be living for these dudes. Like, they be living for them. Like, whole life be revolves around they dude. Can't be me. Been there, done that, not going back and doing it. Sorry, not sorry. And not only that, I'm not trying to be like, I'm sick of the little kid. Like, I'm sick of that. I'm sick of the little kid situations. I'm sick of all of it. I don't got time for no female to be texting me, oh, you mess with what's his name, such and such. I don't got time for the drama. So, save the chit chat. Before I used to be like, yeah, and what? But nah, I ain't even on that type of time no more. I'm trying to get some money. That's all I care about. Is some money. My child. Money. Literally. Yeah, I'm finna take this big old bite. I can't believe I'm sitting up here eating on camera. Like, what, girl? What is you even doing? I'm really gonna eat this shit on camera. Nah, I don't care though, but yeah. What's something else? Fake friends. Well, I don't even consider bitches friends. Y'all just be associates. My friends know who they are. So yeah, I don't got that issue. Really don't. I don't know what else to talk about. I do know this waffle good. Like, real good. Yeah, so yesterday I went to this dirt bowl thing. It was whack. But the food was 10 out of 10. I had like 10 wings and some fries. Bust. Alright, it was so good. Like, so good. Yeah, and guess what your girl been doing? Your girl been gaining weight. Don't play with her. Yep, I've been gaining weight. I had these one pants, they were like a size 5. And I been bought these pants like months ago. And I was finna sell them. Something just told me, like, just try on these pants, see if you can fit them. Baby, when I say I'm putting them on, I was pulling them up, like, my thighs, they barely wanted to go. But they like, I'm gonna just put a picture somewhere. Per se, I can see what the pants look like. Maybe them pants fit real good. And they supposed to be, like, baggy, like, loose. They were still loose, but, baby, they fit their waist, though. Mm-hmm. I'm not full. I'm just sick of chewing. Literally. And another thing. Ain't no way. Ain't no way I'm the only person that wait to drink my drink until I'm finished eating. Ain't no way I'm the only one. Everybody be like, why do you wait to drink your drink? Because if I drink my drink while I'm eating, I'm not going to want to eat no more. I'm going to be full off the drink. That's why I wait till I'm finished. Like, they be like, I can't do that. I'll be somewhere choking. Well, maybe it's not meant for you. I'm just playing. It's hard. I'm really getting sleepy because it's raining. Cleared it. Now, after I just hit the spot, and I got a cherry Sprite from Waffle House. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, smash that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications to get notified every time your girl posts a new video. Try to go get some Waffle House because it was fire. But yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.